Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, a Redmi 11 Pro device. Now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. So firstly, let's disable all unnecessary features. So if you are using mobile data right now but not using Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi. If you are not using Wi-Fi but using mobile data, disable the Wi-Fi. If you are not using Bluetooth right now, just disable it, disable auto brightness and reduce the brightness of your screen. And of course, if you are not using NFC right now, disable it. If you are not using hotspot right now, disable it, disable Mi Share and Nearby Share, and disable location services. All of these features, where they are enabled, they are constantly searching for their services. For example, location services, constantly searching for GPRS signal and GLONASS, Baidu signal, and in this way it will always reduce your battery life. Okay, and as you know here, here on our device we have OLED screen. It means that our screen was created from thousands of micro LED lamps. It means that so LED lamp can't produce the black color. So if the lamp is black, the lamp is disabled, and that's it. So if you want to reduce your screen brightness, make your screen dark. So to do it, just open display settings and choose dark mode. And now in black places my screen is just disabled, and it means that in these places my screen is not consuming the battery power. And the last step you can do is to enable the battery saver mode. So open the battery and here you will see save battery mode. You use it to improve battery life, but you can use ultra battery saver mode. In this mode your phone will live really longer. For example, in normal mode my phone will live only 1 hour, and in ultra battery saver mode it will live 5 hours, so even 6 hours. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.